Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have Sana here, my personal nutritionist actually, and we did a video a while ago, last year to be exact, where we talked about nutrition, and it was a very lengthy video but a very well explained one. So we thought we'll do another sort of quick video on, you know, very commonly asked sort of questions about nutrition, I guess.
I guess they're questions that you've been getting a lot, so we thought we'd get together and perhaps help you guys.
Yes, okay, let's get started.
Great. I
probably like, I don't know, avocado and eggs, or sometimes I do like toast and jam. Probably not healthy, but maybe, okay, fine. So maybe could you give us like 3 breakfast options that are like healthy and stuff? Let's get some variety in there. Banana, nut butter on toast, that's one. That sounds yummy.
Maybe sprinkle some cinnamon on it. Yogurt, if it's dairy-free, then you go for coconut yogurt, and you can have like a portion of fruit, so some berries and maybe some desiccated
with the yogurt and stuff.
Yeah. And that's what I do. I mean, I like to use a little bit of honey to sweeten it up, so that's another one. And then I love an egg burrito, so you can either do scrambled eggs, wrap it up in a burrito wrap, or an omelette, but I just put in some vegetables in there, so spinach, tomatoes, and roll it up.
And then pretty quick as well.
Quick, and just sometimes a wrap, I have it on my way on the train, I know it's not.
As a woman, I feel like sometimes I suffer from hormonal issues, and I feel like it's a common question, and people always ask like what kind of food you can eat or what you should eat for, you know, hormonal imbalance. What would you suggest?
So there's lots of different stuff that comes on in press, and everyone seems to jump on the bandwagon, like soy produce. People say, oh, have lots of soy food because it's so good for hormones. I say stick to the basics, cut down on processed food, cut down on preservatives. Plastic is something that is now, you know, upcoming, lots of ongoing research to show the effects of plastic in our bodies. Yeah, so there are different components within plastic, and some of them are proven carcinogens, meaning they are cancer causing, and some of them are
So like, you mean avoid plastic bottles to drink and stuff?
Plastic bottles to drink, plastic bottles where you're storing your food, plastic, so you know, in the containers when takeaways come, those sort of foods, plastic bags. And you know what,
I need to get rid of them.
has actually done a couple of changes in the last few months, maybe year. Plastic bags, now you need to buy them.
Of course,
and if you ever go into Pret, they have paper straws now. So that's more for eco-friendly, but for ourselves, plastic is actually very detrimental, and some aspects of plastic are proven endocrine disruptors, meaning they disrupt the hormone pathways. So I would limit the use of plastic, guys.
I know people who do suffer like from diabetes and whatever, and we talk about sugar a lot, and sometimes they ask me, you know, what kind of sugar they can have and what kind of sugar you don't have, and sometimes even I'm clueless because I don't know what kind of food is high in sugar. You would think it's sweets or chocolates commonly, but then it could be so many other types of food that also have sugar. What would you say is like the worst sugar?
So, brown sugar, white sugar, guys, sorry to break it to you, it's still sugar. Still have the same impact on your blood sugar levels. Will still accelerate.
And I just had brown sugar.
Rate of aging. What you need to watch out is how much sugar you're having collectively in the day. So that's what you need to look for. And watch out for hidden sugar. So get into label reading. Look at products behind read the label. See how many sugars there are. If your sugar content is more in the day, then you need to start thinking about where you can start cutting back. A lot of hidden foods have sugar, so things like cereal. You wouldn't anticipate cereal has sugar, but there is often a lot of sugar in cereal. And then you've got sauces and condiments, so like ketchup, and then if you ask for like
oh my god, I heard that ketchup has so much sugar, and I didn't even know that.
Because sugar is used as a preservative. One, it enhances flavor. For manufacturers, it's a win-win situation because it's cheap for them to order, so they will add sugar into prolong shelf life of different things.
So guys, ketchup.
Count how much sugar you're having in the day. That's what you need to do.
I say this to my clients a lot, and I do talk to them about eating food to get healthy skin. They want a quick fix. They want skincare. They want things that they think is gonna fix a lot of their skincare issues, but I just think no, that there is food, and I would like to have Sana's opinion about food that you think
is good for skin.
Yeah.
So firstly, remember, skin is our largest organ and is heavily reliant on hormones. So if you're going to support your hormones, you're going to support your skin health. Basics, keep hydrated, but I want to talk about omega-3 fats. So often we get too much saturated in trans fats. We're not getting enough omega-3. So omega-3 in, for example, do you know omega-3?
In fish?
Yeah. So salmon, mackerel, herring, nuts, absolutely. Flax seeds, chia seeds. Well done. I'm so proud of you. So we need
think you can easily Google that, but anyway.
to reduce inflammation. So it works really well for redness and so on. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting your omega-3 fats in your diet.
Okay, cool. So maybe you guys should all turn pescatarian too.
And green leafy veg, add to that too. Because green leafy veg helps support your liver, which is a powerhouse that's constantly detoxifying. So if you're supporting your detoxification, get your green leafy vegetables in there.
So greens and fish and nuts. I know that sounds crazy healthy, but if you want healthy skin, I just think you should listen to that advice.
100%.
People ask me, I don't know why they always ask me, but people ask me about hair growth. I think thanks. No, for me, honestly, I don't take anything. I don't take supplements or anything for my hair. So my mom and my dad, they both have really good hair. They're in their 60s, and I think for me it is genetic, but I do know that people ask me constantly and they ask for food for hair. And to be honest, I never actually thought about it. So what's your take on that?
So protein, basic. You need to top up on your protein. If you're not getting enough protein, it will affect your hair, your skin, your nails. Then silica is really important. So silica, cucumber is a really good source of silica. Silica is a precursor to collagen. So we need collagen to strengthen the skin, the hair, the nails. So I would definitely recommend that. And about taking supplements, if you can get your nutrients from your diet, you don't really need to rely on supplements.
This is for my younger followers who have exams and, you know, obviously, and probably wonder about food, because I myself, during exams, put on a lot of weight because I eat a lot of bad food for me. And so what would you suggest that's
maybe
good food?
Maybe you need it for the energy. Your brain requires
like
energy.
Pizzas and fried chicken and stuff.
Maybe
I mean, I don't eat fried chicken anymore, but like...
You better not be.
Yeah, exactly.
So food during exams, one, I would say stay away from stimulants. So stay away from things like Red Bull, because that completely messes
Oh my god, I was living on that
there are a lot of kids that I see who are actually living on Red Bull, and not even one or two, but a lot.
Yeah, me.
That will affect your blood sugar balance. That will make you more erratic, mood swings, but of course your concentration and memory, that will impact that. So I would definitely stay away from that. Opt for small portions, but more regular meals. So that's really important. I can't emphasize enough omega-3 and cognitive health. So there's a lot of evidence to suggest the importance of omega-3 in cognitive health. So your brain function, your memory, help make your memory more sharp. It'll help support your brain health, support circulation in the brain.
What would be like a quick one then to have like while you're studying or something?
Like smoked salmon, for example, is a good idea.
That's actually quite young. Yeah. And you can just have that and then just like every few hours as
well.
Or
like flax seeds on some yogurt. That's another good source of omega-3. And then finally berries. There is some evidence to suggest berries help with memory. So I would definitely recommend topping up.
I mean, you've mentioned all the stuff that are expensive for a student, but you know,
if you're living with parents,
say you have to study, you know, and you need this food, and I think that's a good idea. I'm glad you told me this because I never knew this. So.
Yeah, good. I'm glad you know.
Has your mom or your dad ever told you you should have lemon water in the morning? And it's like apparently the best thing ever.
Makes you lose weight, by the way.
Yeah,
It makes your skin clear and bright.
Apparently.
Guys, there is no evidence to prove that. I'm so sorry to break it to you, but nothing suggests lemon water does that. In fact, lemon water, I have a lot of dentist colleagues and they keep complaining the number of, especially Asian people who come in with eroded enamels because of constantly drinking lemon water. It's very acidic, so stop. I mean, lemon by itself, if you have a whole lemon, you're getting antioxidants, you're getting vitamin C, but a slice of lemon will do you nothing. And water, I mean, we know the benefits of water. Have it by itself, guys.
No more lemon water. My dad tried to say that to me this morning. He was like, lemon water goodie. And I was just like, no, I have a nutritionist as a friend. So I hope you guys found this useful. It was a quick video and it was like very basic, straight to the point kind of things that people tend to ask, like points about questions that people tend to ask me a lot, or I sometimes have that question, or my family or cousins. And so I just thought I wanted you guys to hear it, just so that you can kind of start somewhere and you have like a better understanding. Sana is a nutritionist, and you know, I've been coming to her for years now actually, and I think it's helped me a lot. More than, you know, it wasn't about losing weight or anything like that. I just wanted to have a healthier, yeah, just like a better lifestyle, because I travel a lot and stuff as well. So I think this hopefully would be useful to anybody out there. And yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Oh, of course. And I feel like, yeah, if you have any questions and if you feel like you want more explanation, I'm not a specialist. Like, I'm obviously not a professional in nutrition or anything like that, whereas Sana is. So I will put her details in the description box, so you can contact her directly and, you know, book in a consultation and just kind of like see if you have certain health issues or certain questions in regards to even the points that we talked about today. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you know, leave feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and until next time. Mwah!
You are so Are you hungry, babe? Oh my god, I am
You
such
didn't
a
hear
bad
that.
host.
No, I'm not hungry. It's just still digesting. Anyway.
Good to know. Maybe it's a penalty.
Yeah, maybe I do. Go make me some penalty. I'm joking. So greens, guys, basically, in protein.
With bone broth.
Sorry, no, I got that wrong. no greens. So let me say that again, okay? So basically, a lot of proteins. It's interesting because I know a lot of people try and go vegan as well, and then they talk about...
I'm sorry. Talking about bone broth, then you go.
So
I take lemon water, and I'm very good at and very healthy. I'm like, okay, auntie. I love that.
Yay! Done! Oh, the other one.
Oh, that was so funny.
It was.
That was good. You know what? I love how you speak on camera.
Pig.